Testosterone is a male sex hormone that belongs to a class of hormones called androgens. It plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues, as well as the promotion of secondary sexual characteristics. However, testosterone is present in both men and women, albeit in different concentrations. In males, the testes primarily produce testosterone, though a smaller amount is also produced in the adrenal glands. During puberty, testosterone is responsible for the deepening of the voice, the growth of facial and body hair, and the development of the Adam's apple. It also contributes to the growth and maintenance of muscle mass and bone density. Testosterone plays a role in various physiological functions, including the regulation of mood, energy levels, and libido. In addition to its reproductive functions, testosterone has an impact on overall health, influencing aspects such as cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and body composition. Levels of testosterone naturally decline with age, and low testosterone levels can lead to various symptoms, including fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and changes in mood and libido. In some cases, healthcare professionals may recommend testosterone replacement therapy to address low testosterone levels and associated symptoms. It's important to note that testosterone levels can be influenced by factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and overall health. Regular exercise, especially a combination of aerobic and resistance training, can have a positive impact on testosterone levels. Aerobic exercises boost overall health, while resistance training, including compound exercises like squats and deadlifts, stimulates the release of testosterone. This hormonal response contributes to muscle growth and overall well-being. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation, including testosterone. During deep sleep, the body produces the majority of its testosterone. Consistent, uninterrupted sleep for 7 to 9 hours per night supports this hormonal balance, contributing to optimal physical and mental health. A balanced diet is crucial for testosterone production. Lean proteins, found in sources like poultry and fish, provide amino acids necessary for hormone synthesis. Healthy fats from avocados and nuts, along with a variety of fruits and vegetables, ensure the body receives essential nutrients like zinc and vitamin D, both linked to testosterone levels. Healthy fats play a vital role in hormone production, including testosterone. Incorporating sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet supports the body's ability to synthesize and regulate hormones. Refined sugars and processed foods can contribute to insulin resistance, negatively impacting testosterone levels. A diet focused on whole foods, rich in nutrients, helps maintain insulin sensitivity and supports hormonal balance. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which may suppress testosterone production. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and yoga, can help mitigate the impact of stress on hormonal balance. Excess body fat, especially around the waist, is associated with lower testosterone levels. Regular exercise and a balanced diet contribute to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, positively influencing hormonal health. Some men may benefit from vitamin and mineral supplements, especially if deficient in nutrients like vitamin D and zinc. These nutrients play a crucial role in testosterone production, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your routine. Excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact testosterone levels. Moderation in alcohol consumption is key to supporting overall health and hormonal balance. Intermittent fasting, involving cycles of eating and fasting, may positively influence testosterone levels. However, individual responses vary, and it's crucial to find an approach that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels. Ensuring adequate water intake throughout the day supports overall health, including hormonal function. Certain chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products can act as endocrine disruptors, interfering with hormonal balance. Minimizing exposure to these substances contributes to a healthier hormonal environment. Remember, individual responses to these lifestyle changes can vary, and it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to overall health and well-being. If you have concerns about your testosterone levels, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and potential medical interventions.